रात को कल मैंने ध्यान रखा था बच्ची का, हमने अपने दिन बांट रखे हैं। एक रात ये ध्यान रखती है, एक रात में। My baby girl eating in her high chair for the first time ever. For your cherry guavas, you will let your daughter go away.
You're the youngest one in the bar.
Good morning everyone and welcome back to our another vlog. सुबह की शुरुआत हो चुकी है भाई। रात को कल मैंने ध्यान रखा था बच्ची का, हमने अपने दिन बांट रखे हैं। एक रात ये ध्यान रखती है, एक रात में, क्योंकि इसकी बच्ची की आदत ऐसी बना रखी है ना कि ये हर 3 घंटे में इसको दूध चाहिए ही चाहिए। रात को सुबह सो भी रही है ना, बढ़िया नींद आ रही है, 3 घंटे बाद अपने आप ही इसकी क्लॉक ऐसी सेट है, अपने आप उठ जाती है। और हम टाइम देखते हैं, हाँ भाई 3 घंटे हो गए तो अब इसको दूध पिलाना है। तो बेसिकली कल रात को मैंने ध्यान रखा था इसका। पहली बार दूध पिलाने के बाद नींद आई नहीं काफ़ी टाइम तक। Yeah, thank God I am here. Otherwise, for your cherry guavas, you will let your daughter go away to the road. Don't worry, babe. I am here to take care of you. Okay? Daddy will take good care of you.
满天都是小星星，一闪一闪亮晶晶，满天都是小星星。挂在天上放光明，满天都是小眼睛，一闪一闪亮晶晶，满天都是小星星。
What are you singing?
Twinkle 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 little star, Chinese version.
What does mean Shao Xin Jin? What is that?
Little star.
Oh, okay.
You are my little star. You are my little star.
So that's the Chinese version of Twinkle Twinkle Little Star.
Yes, that's
Wow.
right.
Chao Xing Qing.
小星星
Xiao Xing Xing, that's
Yes.
the little star.
，Yes。
Okay.
小星星，你是妈妈的小星星。哎呀呀！ grab it, grab it, grab it, grab it.
She farted. Too much of you, too much of, what do you say it? Effort for you? Huh? That you had to fart? Oh. She's coming for it again and again. Okay, she got angry. Yay, my baby girl on her what? On her chair. Now she can eat with us. She has her own eating chair now. So cute, baby girl. You're looking amazing. You're looking amazing. Wow. Baby! Hey. ये देख लो भाई, ये हमने इसकी जब ये पैदा हुई थी ना उस टाइम पे ले ली थी मैंने ये चेयर, क्योंकि ये नीचे ड्रैग हो जाती है और इस पे इसका झूला भी बनाया था मैंने शुरुआत में, जो कि इसको पसंद नहीं आया था, तो हमने स्टोर रूम में रखी हुई थी। आज फाइनली ये चेयर हमने बाहर निकाल ली, इसको सेटअप कर दिया। अब इसका खाना इस ट्रे पे रख दिया जाएगा, ये अपने आप खाती रहेगी, एक्सप्लोर करेगी। What I'm suggesting is just keep any food on this tray and let her explore herself. She will make some mess. Porridge? I'm not saying give her porridge, anything else. Like some chicken peas
we will.
or anything. So she can start to eat, make some mess, throw some food. And there are also some wheels on this. So you can drag her anywhere you want. See? So good. It was from Baby Way NZ. My baby girl eating in her high chair for the first time ever. Come on, girl, go for it. Eat it. Eat it. Eat it. Eat it. Eat it. Eat it. Yay! By the way, guys, this high chair was from Baby Way NZ, and you can also like change it. Right now we have made it into high chair, but before this chair was like a swing, so this can go down and then it can be used as a baby swing as well. Multi-purpose chair. Love this product from Baby Way NZ. तो भाई आ चुके हैं हम सेंट हेलियर्स बीच पे। इसकी जो गॉड मदर है उसका घर इसके पास ही था, तो उसकी गॉड मदर को कुछ कीवीज़ हम यहाँ पे देने आए थे। और इसकी गॉड मदर ने उसके बदले में हमें दी एक बहुत बड़ी सी वाइन की बॉटल. एंड आफ्टर paying a visit to her godmother, now we have come to St. Helios. So look at this. By the way, as you can see, in front of us is some people doing kayaking. That's kayaking, by the way. So her godmother and her partner, they both came here like yesterday. I guess they were talking about yesterday, right? Yesterday they came here and they saw these people doing kayaking and they were like, oh, such a cool and nice activity. We should get our own kayak. And just yesterday night, they went ahead and bought inflatable kayaks online. 2 of them. And also the life jackets. And now they are super excited to do the kayaking today itself. They were actually asking us to stay with them, have lunch with them right now. And then in the afternoon, probably after 1 or 2 hours, they will come down here, bring their inflatable kayaks and they will have fun. It would have been actually an amazing day with them. Nice content as well. But we only got 1 bottle of milk for our baby because we weren't expecting that this is what we are going to listen. But honestly, if we knew about their plan, if we knew about this, it would have been super amazing. Did you had a chat with her before coming here
No.
that we are bringing some kiwis? I think you should
No,
have.
I told her yesterday, today I can drop anytime. That's
Ah.
it. Yeah.
I wish that we knew about their plan. It would have been super fun to watch them on an inflatable kayak, trying to do kayak in this sea. It's so hard, so difficult. Even though today it's not very gusty and the winds are not very strong. But inflatable is altogether different ball game. I'm telling you guys. That's a single person's kayak. The guy is holding. And that is also a single person kayak over there. That's a 2-person kayak. And there's a guy swimming. Wow. By the way, it's winter times in New Zealand. But some people just do not care about the weather. Look at him. Look at him.
Who?
In my screen. There's a guy swimming over there. Imagine when she will grow up, she will be doing this with her dad.
Yeah, go.
Right,
Go
baby?
into the water.
Right, baby? ये कबूतर को देखो भाई कितना पास आया हुआ है और इस कबूतर को देख रही है ये इतने ध्यान से. ऐसे आते हैं भाई एकदम आपके पास में. It is actually a nice day.
Yes, it is.
I miss my pedal boarding days, going into the sea, going into the lakes, jumping on the waterfalls. It used to be such an amazing day. Then I had baby with this woman who doesn't allow me to have fun in my life now. She says that I'm dad. Dad's supposed to live a very pathetic life, at least for 2 years. Don't worry, babe. Don't worry. You grow up fast. The faster you grow up, the faster we can have fun. Okay?
You take your time to grow. Okay?
Why? Are you loving this time?
Yes.
I mean, I'm also loving this time with our baby. I'm asking like loving this time of not traveling.
You got to do what you have to do in certain stage of life, isn't it? Now we have where we give up traveling.
Once she grows up, we again travel.
Yeah.
And what happens if we have another baby then? Then we again
That
give
won't
up.
happen. I'll make sure that won't happen.
Why you want to make sure? Don't make sure. Don't make sure. Plans change.
I cannot have a complaining partner like this on my ear. Why cannot we do this? Why cannot we do that? I'll get crazy.
No, there are no complaints. And have you heard? Is there only complaints from me? Huh? No love, no support.
Yeah.
Talk about that as well. All you see is just complaints, huh? She's looking at the pigeon.
Not her, not her. Go away, go away. Oh, yeah.
भाई कमाल की चीज देखी आपने. छोटी चिड़िया, बड़ा कबूतर है, उससे पहले वो भी आया था सीगल। ये सब ऐसे को हार्मनी में रहते हैं यहाँ पे, कोई किसी और पे अटैक नहीं करेगा खाने के लिए। एंड लुक एट दिस लिटिल बर्ड एज वेल, दिस वन इज आल्सो ईटिंग अमंग देम, नथिंग इज, दे आर नॉट इवन ट्राइंग टू फ्लाई दैट अवे, इट्स नॉट इवन फ्रॉम देयर ओन स्पीशीज। सी ऐसे खेलते हैं भाई आसपास। वहाँ पे भाई एक कपल अपना कुर्सी लगा के बैठा हुआ है, किताब पढ़ रहा है बीच के किनारे। बेस्ट लाइफ यार, ऐसे एंजॉय किया जा रहा है अपना संडे। कोई भागा दौड़ी कुछ करने की जरूरत नहीं, बस अपना चिल करो। अपनी कोल्ड ड्रिंक रखी हुई है, अपना चेयर पे बैठे हुए हैं और बुक किताब पढ़ रहे हैं दोनों अपनी अपनी।
Where are we?
They're sitting at a bar.
Oh, I thought we were sitting just on the fire exit, but this is a bar.
I just wanted to sit outside because she's feeling so good.
Yes.
Just in front of us is that beautiful sea.
Yes.
See, what a vibe over there. Such a nice place to sit. So I thought, why not just have a beer?
Yes.
You can have chips,
Why not?
and she's happy. Look at her, how excited she is.
She is.
This will be really hard while she is watching us. We are drinking and eating. She'll be like,
I have her rice cake.
"Oh, good, good,
Yes.
good." We'll give that to her.
Yes. You're the youngest one in the bar. Hello, thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Dad needs a drink. What baby girl?